Dow Jones Index 1116. We had the vaccine news that hit it. Here we are on a daily. And yes, we are now overbought. And the wall of resistance in the Dow coming back all the way up. You had the Moderna vaccine news that gapped it up 400 points, ended up 470 on the day. All the airline stocks and cruise stocks, everybody's happy. Vaccine, vaccine, vaccine. Well, we've been down this vaccine trade before. So we hope that all is good in that category because we need a vaccine. Anyway, we're at the wall of resistance and we've entered now into the overbought zone for the Dow. Do we see Dow 30,000? Today's high was 29.6. Yeah, it hit at 29,964. So 29,964. Dow 30,000, is it upon us? It very well could be, or is it buy the rumor, sell the news? When you're hitting a Dow rally now with the gap to start it with the headline and vaccine, and then coming up to the all-time highs, this is an awesome move, all headline generated. We are giving a yellow caution flag, and it's one that I would pay attention to. Yes, is it possible to go higher and do what we call a blow off top? Absolutely. Algorithms work that way. But with our trading applications that we have developed called the Panther Quant system, that is going to walk you through everything you need. And take the free 5-day trial, sign up, spend Thanksgiving with us, Christmas, going into New Year. So this November rally has had the president-elect that played into the rally, and then we have the vaccine news a week ago on a Monday, and then we have vaccine news again this Monday, and then we started, and then the stay-at-home stocks had a big gap down like they did last Monday. Zoom had got gap down to the low of 375 and then recovered $20 off of the bottom. And at one point, Amazon had a huge gap down of $43 MELI. So you did have a lot of gap downs that happened with the Moderna vaccine headline news that played I probably heard it 60 times throughout the day or more. And so as the headlines hit, then the algorithms called algos, quants, we built our own quant system, and you can use our quant trading system by go ahead and get in the free 5-day trial and watch that quant system working for you and making you a lot of money intraday. All of it is done with our trading apps that we built, and they're pure mathematics. You're welcome to go ahead and demo them. Just sign up for the free 5-day trial. It's very simple. So we're giving a yellow caution. We are on a daily level overbought zone, and you can get more overbought. Don't get me wrong. But what will be the next catalyst or the next headline that would even send it really into the next level? So there are different levels of overbought, but we are now entering that phase. And so we will give a yellow caution. The other thing to worry about moving forward is with a vaccine and the hopes of a vaccine, is the market fully priced in the current trend cycle movement? And it's always going to come down what that cycle movement is, and we do have the answers. Dow 30,000, does it trigger a sell signal? Do we make Dow 30,000 or not? Do we have enough momentum behind us to take out the all-time highs in this bull rally of the pandemic of 2020, a calendar year. And November and December are always favorable months, but there was a lot of uncertainties with the president-elect and all kinds of things. Well, the market, when they hear about a vaccine, and I don't know enough to comment on that. I can only comment on price action. And does the price action headline after headline after headline with all the events that the market has gone through with the gaps and the sells? And so, as we have always said, you have upside volatility and you have downside volatility. And right now, we are overbought on a daily. And yeah, I have my little yellow thing up there, Dow 30,000. You can see that. And can we hit Dow 30,000? And what happens when we hit Dow 30,000? And when we take a look at Thanksgiving rally, which is just around the corner, is that we always have Thanksgiving rallies, but the problem is maybe this rally has already run to the highs and then the sellers sell to celebrate Thanksgiving. Maybe it's just the very opposite. Tesla was added to the S&P 500 after the close. And so all-time highs, the bull run is in the first phase of an overbought zone. What would trigger a sell would be buy the rumor, sell the news. Get in the free 5-day trial. Go ahead and demo our trading quant applications. We have several different ones that address several different kinds of trades, and it's pure mathematics, just like you will know when you sign up for the free 5-day trial. And we are giving a cautionary out, and there's a cautionary flag of the Dow out of all the indexes have ran into this overbought phase now. And it's phase one. There are 3 phases to an overbought. One of them could be a gap open up, and then there's immediate sell down. That's one. The other one is that profit taking comes into play from such a big move. That's the other one. The other one would be that the tech sector could drag the market down again, and could it? With Tesla going in the NASDAQ 100 and NASDAQ 100 futures being about 12,000, I think that will have a gap, and that too, I will update all traders so we know where we're at in the cycle. Dow Jones, so far in my view, is an extraordinary index that had the right stocks. There's only 30 of them in there and whatnot. But here we are. And once again, we caution you, in phase one, we will update a caution phase two as we get into the trading week and how we respond to Dow 30,000.